MASC's Your Story Festival is a full day of literary events offered to teens in grades 8 to 12.
It was wonderful to meet young people who knew what they wanted, that they wanted to be writers and offered their stories to the world. I just really loved it.
Your Story is a one-day festival where professional authors and illustrators offer hands-on workshops to over 100 students. The students choose the artists they wish to work with and spend the day brainstorming and exchanging ideas.
I thought that this was a great festival, amazing for the kids and amazing for the authors. It's completely inspirational for me as an author as well.
The day is peppered with literary activities with the 6 published artists. Artist readings, free book draws, a book sale by Perfect Books, and presentation by Ottawa Public Library. There's a lunchtime artistic performance, and we end the day with an autograph session with the artists.
It's a fun day. The kids learn a lot. They're keen, they're engaged, and there's so much to know. The sooner they get started on their journey, the better. And Your Story is a perfect place for them to start.
Visit masconline.ca for more information.